Have you ever wondered if what you eat could be affecting your fertility? Do you think your daily diet could be the secret to boosting your potency and virility? In a world where health and wellness are constant priorities, we often forget that our diet plays a crucial role in every aspect of our lives, including our reproductive capacity. Every bite we take has the potential to nourish us or harm us, to enhance our abilities or limit them. The connection between what we eat and how we function is not just a matter of daily energy or physical condition, but also of our reproductive health and sexual potency. Today we will reveal the hidden secrets behind 5 foods that will not only improve your overall health, but they could also significantly boost sperm production. It's fascinating how certain foods, often considered common or everyday, can have such a profound impact on our biology. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that support the production of healthy sperm, increase motility, and improve overall sperm quality. So if you're looking to give a boost to your fertility or just want to optimize your reproductive health, stay until the end. Before diving into the list of these powerful foods, it's crucial to understand how nutrition impacts male fertility. Sperm is a tangible reflection of a man's health, a microcosm that reflects overall well-being. Factors like stress, pollution, and especially diet can deeply influence the quality and quantity of sperm. We often don't realize that every dietary decision we make can shape not only our daily energy and physical health, but also our reproductive capability and the viability of our offspring. Sperm quality is measured not only by the quantity of sperm present, but also by its motility, morphology, and vitality. Motility refers to the ability of sperm to move efficiently toward the egg, while morphology refers to the shape and structure of the sperm, which is crucial for successful fertilization. These parameters are clear indicators of male reproductive health, and can be significantly affected by what we eat. Lifestyle also plays an important role. Chronic stress, lack of exercise, and exposure to environmental toxins can have a devastating impact on sperm health. A healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and stress management techniques, can complement the benefits of good nutrition, creating an optimal environment for the production of healthy sperm. Number 1. Water. First on our list is water, the most essential and often underestimated resource for overall health, and particularly for male fertility. Water not only hydrates the body but is also crucial for the production and quality of sperm. Dehydration can reduce semen volume and negatively affect sperm motility, that is, their ability to move and reach the egg. Staying well hydrated ensures that the body can produce enough seminal fluid, which is key to a healthy sperm count. The human body is mostly composed of water, and each system, cell, and bodily function it depends on her to work correctly. When it comes to male fertility, water plays an essential role in several physiological processes. Seminal plasma, which is the liquid component of semen, is mainly composed of water. This fluid not only transports sperm during ejaculation but also provides the necessary medium for them to remain mobile and viable. Additionally, proper hydration influences the viscosity of semen. Too thick semen can make it difficult for the sperm to move, reducing their chances of reaching and fertilizing the egg. Therefore, drinking enough water daily helps maintain an optimal consistency of semen, facilitating the sperm's journey towards their goal. Another crucial aspect of hydration is its impact on body temperature. Sperm production occurs optimally at a slightly lower temperature than the rest of the body. Proper hydration helps regulate internal temperature, ensuring an ideal environment for spermatogenesis, the process through which sperm cells are produced in the testicles. Number 2. Foods rich in zinc. The second on our list are foods rich in zinc, an essential mineral abundantly found in oysters. This shellfish is not only a symbol of luxury but also a superfood for male fertility. Oysters contain extremely high levels of zinc, which is crucial for the production of sperm and testosterone. Adequate zinc levels not only improve sperm count but also their motility, that is, their ability to move and reach the egg. Zinc plays a vital role in many fundamental biological processes, including DNA synthesis and cell division, both essential for producing healthy sperm. Men with a zinc deficiency often have a low sperm count and reduced sperm motility. This is because zinc is necessary for sperm maturation, ensuring they develop proper structure and optimal functionality. Besides its role in sperm production, zinc is crucial for testosterone production, the main male sex hormone that regulates libido, energy, and secondary sexual characteristics. Testosterone is also essential for spermatogenesis, the process by which sperm develop in the testes. Adequate testosterone levels promote the production of high-quality sperm, while a deficiency in this hormone can lead to Fertility issues. Oysters are not only rich in zinc, they also contain other beneficial nutrients like selenium, vitamin B12 and omega-3 fatty acids. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that protects sperm from oxidative damage, while vitamin B12 is essential for DNA production and healthy cell function. Omega-3 fatty acids improve the fluidity of cell membranes, including those of sperm, which can enhance their motility. Incorporating oysters into the diet can be a delicious and effective way to increase your intake of zinc and other essential fertility nutrients. However, for those who don't enjoy oysters or have shellfish allergies, there are other zinc-rich sources that can be equally beneficial, like red meat, pumpkin seeds, nuts and legumes. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts are positioned as a formidable ally, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These seeds help improve sperm morphology, ensuring they have an ideal shape for fertilization. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for the fluidity of cell membranes. This allows sperm to move agile and penetrate the egg more effectively. The healthy cell structure promoted by omega-3 is essential for developing robust and competent sperm. Additionally, nuts are a source of antioxidants that protect sperm from damage caused by free radicals, harmful elements that can decrease sperm viability. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, and sperm are particularly vulnerable to this type of oxidative stress due to their high metabolism rate and limited cellular repair capacity. Antioxidants in nuts such as vitamin E, selenium and polyphenols neutralize these free radicals, thus protecting sperm integrity. Studies have shown that regularly including nuts in the diet can significantly increase sperm count and quality. One particular study found that men who consumed a handful of nuts daily for 12 weeks showed notable improvements in the vitality, motility and morphology of their sperm. This suggests that the nutrients present in nuts not only protect sperm, but they also promote its development and optimal functionality. Beyond their direct benefits on sperm, walnuts also contribute to cardiovascular health, which is essential for healthy sexual function. Good blood circulation is crucial for the health of reproductive organs, and the omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts help keep arteries flexible and free from plaque. This ensures that sexual organs receive an adequate blood supply, which is essential for hormone production and erectile function. Nuts are also rich in arginine, an amino acid that enhances blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. Arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, a compound that dilates blood vessels and improves circulation. This effect is particularly beneficial for male reproductive health, as adequate blood flow is essential for sperm production and release. Number 4. Asparagus. The fourth food on our list is asparagus, a vegetable loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Asparagus is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that not only protects sperm from oxidative damage but also improves their motility. Vitamin C neutralizes free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage the cells and DNA of sperm by reducing oxidative stress. Vitamin C helps preserve the integrity of the sperm and maintain its ability to move efficiently towards the egg. Additionally, asparagus contains folate. A vitamin B is crucial for cell division and the production of healthy sperm. Folate, also known as folic acid, plays a vital role in DNA synthesis and cell repair. Folate deficiency can lead to sperm abnormalities and a decrease in sperm production. Therefore, consuming asparagus rich in folate can help ensure that sperm maintain their integrity and functionality, improving the chances of successful fertilization. Asparagus is also an excellent source of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that protects sperm cell membranes from oxidative damage. Vitamin E works synergistically with vitamin C to provide robust antioxidant protection, improving sperm viability and motility. Together, these vitamins help maintain sperm in optimal condition for fertilization. Besides its antioxidant benefits, asparagus is rich in dietary fiber, which contributes to healthy digestion and the elimination of toxins from the body. An efficient digestive system and proper detoxification are key to overall health and well-being, indirectly supporting reproductive function. Asparagus also contains a variety of essential minerals like zinc, selenium, and iron, which are crucial for male reproductive health. Zinc, as mentioned before, is vital for sperm and testosterone production. Selenium is an antioxidant that protects sperm from oxidative damage and improves motility. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to all the cells in the body, including the testicles, ensuring they receive the necessary oxygen for sperm production. Another beneficial component of asparagus is its content of asparagine, an amino acid that acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate excess fluids and salt. This effect may help regulate blood pressure and improve kidney function, supporting the overall health of the reproductive system. Number 5. Garlic. Fifth on our list is garlic, known not only for its potent taste and aroma but also for its multiple health benefits. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that improves blood flow to the sexual organs and protects sperm from damage. Allicin has vasodilatory properties, meaning it helps widen blood vessels and increase blood circulation. This effect is crucial to ensure that reproductive organs receive an adequate supply of nutrients and oxygen, which is essential for sperm production and health. Additionally, garlic increases sperm production and improves its resilience. The sulfur compounds in garlic, like allicin and diol sulfide, they act as powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. These compounds protect sperm from oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that can seriously damage sperm quality and reduce male fertility. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, garlic helps keep sperm healthy and functional. Garlic also has a positive impact on testosterone levels. The main male sex hormone testosterone is essential for sperm production and libido. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can increase testosterone levels, which in turn can improve sperm quality and sexual function. This increase in testosterone is attributed to garlic's ability to reduce cortisol, a stress hormone that can inhibit testosterone production. In addition to its direct benefits on reproductive health, garlic has antimicrobial and antiviral properties which help keep the immune system strong and prevent infections that could negatively impact fertility. A healthy immune system is crucial for overall health and to maintain an optimal internal environment for sperm production. Garlic can also help regulate blood pressure and reduce cholesterol. Both are important factors for cardiovascular health. Good cardiovascular health is essential to ensure adequate blood flow to reproductive organs. The presence of compounds such as L and A1 in garlic helps reduce plaque buildup in arteries and improve the elasticity of blood vessels, promoting better circulation and therefore a better reproductive function. These 5 foods are more than just ingredients, they are natural enhancers of male fertility. Incorporating them into your daily diet will not only help improve your reproductive health but also contribute to overall optimal well-being. Nutritional science continues to reveal how small changes in our eating habits can have significant impacts on our lives. So next time you prepare your meal, consider including these powerful foods and see how they can transform your health from the inside. The comment that gets 1,000 likes will decide the next video on the channel. Remember to like and share if you learned something new. If you want to learn how to create content like what you just saw in this video and make a living from YouTube, do it now. I'm offering my intensive AI course for only $15 in the store linked in this video and in the first comment. Also remember that your support is crucial for our channel's growth. You can make a donation to Tubi for very little money and access all the benefits we offer to our members. I truly appreciate it. Next you'll see 2 videos that you might be interested in. Sending you a hug. See you in the next one.